Hi, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new in this space, welcome. My name is Amrita. I come from India and I'm living in Germany. In this channel, I try to bring content about life in Germany, about jobs, visas, finance, and much more. I thought for today's video, let's not go into the heavy stuffs and let's make a lighter video for this week. In today's video, I'm going to take you around Dresden, a city in the eastern part of Germany, situated by the river Elbe and is quite well known for its rich history and art. So without any further ado, let's go and see what are the best sightseeing places in Dresden. Stay tuned! Completely rebuilt after the Dresden bombing episode during the World War II, Dresden, the capital of Saxony, is a beautiful city famous for its Baroque architecture and a plethora of art and cultural museums. By the banks of the river Elbe, Bruhl's Terrace is one of the most lively places in Dresden, where you can sit back and relax, watch live performances of street artists, or take a small cruise trip down the river Elbe. The 102-meter-long mural of a mounted procession of the Saxon rulers, the Fürstenzug, will take you to the plaza opening to some of the stunning buildings of Dresden. Dresden Castle, one of the oldest buildings in Dresden, used to be the residence of the kings of Saxony, famous for the different architectural styles employed to build it. Semperoper is the opera house and the theatrical concert hall with a magnificent building where you can enjoy an opera or a musical event. The Zwinger is a garden complex with many Baroque-style palaces surrounding it. There are a couple of museums in these buildings, including the Zwinger Experience and a museum of historic clocks and scientific instruments and a stunning porcelain collection. Frauenkirche has literally rose from ashes of 1945, thanks to the extensive recovery, stands tall in all its glory, is one of the prime locations of Dresden. Surrounded by rows of exquisite cafes and restaurants, it's the favorite place of the tourists as well as the residents. Blaues Wunder is a very nice place to relax with all sorts of birds and a beautiful view of the Low Swiss Bridge. Kunsthof Passage in the heart of Neustadt hosts many beautiful creative buildings, is said to make musical noises when rainwater passes through the pipes. Dresden, often referred to as the Florence of Elbe, has many other attractions, but these are just to name a few. If you are in Dresden for a longer period, there are a couple of day trips from Dresden as well. The first one being Moritzburg Castle. It's a treat to the eyes. With stunning landscapes all around, it's very famous among tourists for a small bike or road trip. Saxony, Switzerland National Park is a hiker's paradise with breathtaking views of the sandstone mountains, the Bastei Bridge, which makes it every bit worth the climb. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Thanks, and see you with the next video. Bye.